Are you constantly on the go, barely have time to cook, but still want to eat healthily and lose weight? I get it. Life's hectic, and takeout is tempting. But what if you could whip up Asian-inspired meals, packed with protein, low in calories, and bursting with flavor, all in less than 10 minutes? No time to cook? No problem. These 10 Asian slimming meals are high protein, low calorie, and built for busy professionals who want real fat loss. Welcome to SlimSync, where we make Asian weight loss simple, fast, and powerful. Let's start cooking. Lean protein with bright citrus flavor, clean and satisfying. Start with Japanese shio chicken cutlets and zesty yuzu cabbage. Butterfly your chicken breast, season with sea salt and white pepper, and sear on a hot non-stick pan. 3 minutes each side, no deep frying or breading, just lean, juicy flavor. While the chicken cooks, shred cabbage and toss with yuzu juice, rice vinegar, and sesame seeds. That citrus punch cuts through the richness, making every bite refreshing. Plate sliced chicken over the vibrant cabbage. Clean, protein-rich, and stunning on the plate. This meal keeps you full and energized. The secret is in the seasoning and that bright yuzu kick. High-protein seafood meal with almost zero carbs. Grab peeled shrimp, toss with black pepper, lime zest, and chili flakes. Sauté in a hot pan with olive oil. They'll turn pink in under 3 minutes. Chop Chinese broccoli or baby spinach, add to the pan with sliced garlic and let wilt. This isn't just a side, it's part of the main event. Plate shrimp over garlicky greens, squeeze fresh lime, and scatter cilantro. Vibrant, quick, and no excuses for unhealthy eating. Light but deeply satisfying. Key here is high heat and speed. Don't overcook. Shrimp should be juicy, greens just wilted. That's how you keep flavors sharp and nutrition intact. Perfect after a long meeting or tough workout. You'll feel fantastic after. Perfect desk-friendly slimming lunch. Crack open a can of wild tuna in water, drain well, mix with chopped lemongrass, red chili, fish sauce, lime, mint, and cilantro. Layer shredded carrot and cucumber in a mason jar, then add the tuna mixture, sliced radish, and extra herbs. Finish with sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds. Screw on the lid. You've got a portable protein-packed meal. Shake before eating for maximum flavor. It's a flavor bomb that keeps you full and focused. Prep these jars ahead and stack in the fridge. Grab and go. No excuses, just results. Bulgogi flavor. Without the sugar overload, start with shiitake and oyster mushrooms sliced thick. Mix low-sodium soy sauce, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, and monk fruit sweetener. Optional. Toss mushrooms in the marinade, then sear on high heat until caramelized. Add scallions and spinach at the end, just until wilted. Plate with quick pickled radish or cucumber. All the umami, none of the empty calories. Hearty, earthy, and deeply satisfying. No meat or sugar needed. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and chili threads if you want to get fancy. Fast, healthy, and guilt-free. Light, aromatic, and fat loss friendly. Take a fillet of white fish, sprinkle with turmeric, garlic powder, and salt. Lay on parchment, top with red onion, chili, and lime. Fold into a parcel, microwave for 4 minutes or bake for 8. Perfectly steamed, juicy fish with locked-in aromatics. Open at the table. The aroma is incredible. Serve with fresh herbs and a wedge of lime. No mess, no fuss, all flavor. Zero added oil, just pure, clean protein. High protein, low calorie. Crack 4 egg whites, add fish sauce, and whisk until frothy. Pour into a hot non-stick pan, let puff up, don't stir. Scatter Thai basil, cherry tomatoes, and chili flakes. Cover for a minute to set the top, slide onto a plate, fold gently, and garnish with basil. Light, fluffy, and packs a protein punch. Pair with steamed asparagus or snap peas for crunch. Fast food can be beautiful and slimming. Smart carb replacement for busy evenings. Rinse konjac rice well, then warm in a dry pan. Sear a salmon fillet, skin side down, until crisp. Season with soy and black pepper. Slice cucumbers, radish, and scallion for topping. Layer konjac rice in a bowl. Top with salmon and veggies. Finish with ponzu or lemon for brightness. Keeps you full and satisfied but won't weigh you down. Colorful, nutrient-dense, and ready in minutes. Fresh, light, and portable. Poach thin chicken breast slices in ginger and garlic for 5 minutes. Soften rice paper sheets, then fill with chicken, fresh herbs, lettuce and carrots. Roll up tight, serve with dipping sauce, lime juice, fish sauce, and chili. Perfect for meal prepping. Stack and grab on your way out. Crunchy, herby, and packed with lean protein. Eating healthy never tasted so good. Lean, elegant, and under 8 minutes. Cook lean ground beef with garlic, gochujang, and soy sauce. Slice cucumber into thick rounds. Stack beef on cucumber rounds, building little towers. Sprinkle with sesame seeds, scallion, and chili flakes. Spicy, savory, crunchy, and cool. High protein, low carb. A go-to snack or show-stopping lunch plate. All done in less than 10 minutes. Simple, satisfying, and powerful. Drain firm tofu, slice thick and pat dry. Sear in a hot pan with sesame oil until golden. Mix white miso, rice vinegar, and a touch of sweetener for glaze. Brush glaze over tofu, let sizzle until fragrant. Plate with sesame seeds, scallion and chili. Serve with steamed greens. Umami-packed, protein-rich, and so quick, you'll want it on repeat. You don't need hours in the kitchen to lose weight. You need smart, fast meals like these. Like subscribe and turn on notifications for more Asian slimming meals every week. It's not about deprivation. It's about vibrant, nourishing food that fits your life. Now, get cooking and keep pushing for your best self. One delicious meal at a time. Until next time, keep it SlimSync.